So I think that we're all familiar with a car air freshener. You know, you may have seen the little tree things that will hang from your rear view mirror. I think that they had a time and place in history, but I don't want them in my car. First of all, the scents that they use are pretty cheesy smelling at this point, and I don't know, I don't want it hanging around dangling in front of my view while I'm driving. This is where Scent Wedge comes in. So they sent us some Scent Wedges. We're gonna take a look at how they work. They work specifically for the Model 3, because the Model 3, again, doesn't have, you know, your typical air vents. So even the, you know, the air fresheners that stick onto your air vents, they don't work in a Model 3 because there are no air vents. But these are specifically designed for it. We're gonna be testing them out today and letting you know what we think. So this is what they send you. It's a little, looks like recycled paper envelope. And inside you have your Scent Wedges sealed away. And the interesting thing here is that 1 month supply means that they plant a tree. So for every one of these you buy, they're gonna plant a tree, which is, that's a really good thing. Planting trees is a good thing, I approve. All right, so we have the directions here. So we're gonna be putting it in our secondary vent. So it shows our main vent and our secondary vent. So I'm gonna open my Scent Wedge packet here. I can already smell the aroma. So, as you can see, there's these little walnut, they look laser cut. And I can already smell the, what is it, coastal forest scent here. So they use 100% natural oils to infuse this with some nice smelling scents. So, all right, so I've wedged it in there. And it says make sure that it's firm. It says push side to side to check. So, yep, it's in there. It says to change your Scent Wedge every 2 weeks and keep the bag sealed. All right, so I'll seal the bag here. So, I mean, that's really nice. It kind of blends right in with the trim right there. And, you know, if I really wanted to, I could probably stick it behind the screen, but this way it's gonna be blowing nice smelling air at me. And I think there's nothing stopping me from putting, you know, if this weren't enough scent to block out, you know, whoever is driving the car, this package comes with 3 more. So you could conceivably put all 4. Obviously it wouldn't last as long, and it would probably smell like you were, you know, living in a coastal forest. That might be a little too much. So it suggests that you have your AC system on, that it's blowing at the passenger, that it's recirculating, that you have your temperature setting to high, and that you have your fan speed to 5. So let's set that up. So it's on. I'm gonna turn off auto, I guess. We're gonna set it to just blow directly at me. Set it to 5. I'm not gonna set it to high because I'm wearing a jacket right now. But I can already smell it. It does smell nice. It's gonna be nice to have a nice smelling car. If you head over to scentwedge.com, you can get either mountain forest or coastal forest. I have coastal forest right now. It smells really nice. And the cool thing about these is that they're 100% biodegradable, which means that basically you could be driving along, you could be saying, you know, I don't smell it anymore. You could reach over here, grab it, and throw it out the window. And no matter where it lands, it's gonna turn back into dirt and be good for the environment. Unlike basically any other air freshener that you buy. Every other air freshener is made out of something that is not going to biodegrade, which means that once its life is done, you're gonna throw it in a trash can, it's gonna go in a landfill, and it's gonna sit there for a very, very, very long time, probably not breaking down. These are so small, they're made out of wood, they're gonna break down pretty darn quickly, and you know, animals aren't gonna be swallowing them and dying. It's I think from an ecological standpoint, it's awesome. I also think that these are pretty reusable. I think, you know, find whatever essential oil you like the scent of the best, dip it in it, and boom, recharged. Thanks for watching. Now you know.